Emphasize with ease. Mastering parallelism in English conjunctions. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a vital yet often overlooked aspect of English grammar: parallelism in conjunctions. Specifically, we'll learn how to use parallelism to emphasize your message and increase clarity in your writing. So buckle up, because this is a game changer. Parallelism, in grammar, involves using components in your sentences that are grammatically similar or identical in their structure, sound, meaning, or meter. This similarity makes your sentences easier to read and understand. Consider this example: she likes cooking, reading, and to run. Here, cooking and reading are gerunds, noun forms of verbs, but to run is an infinitive, which breaks the parallelism. A better way to write this sentence, preserving parallelism, would be: she likes cooking, reading, and running. Parallelism is key to maintaining consistency and rhythm in your language, leading to more effective communication. Now that we understand what parallelism is, let's explore how it can emphasize our message and increase clarity. The repetition in parallel structures can add a powerful punch to your writing and speaking, making your main points stand out. For example, consider Martin Luther King Jr.'s famous speech: "I have a dream that one day this nation will rise up and live out the true meaning of its creed. I have a dream that my 4 little children will one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin but by the content of their character." The repeated phrase, "I have a dream," emphasizes his vision and underscores the important points in his speech. Remember, the key to using parallelism for emphasis is to use it judiciously. Too much repetition might render your writing monotonous and weaken the impact. Alright, now it's time for some practice. Consider this sentence: he's a dedicated father, a hard worker, and very friendly. How can we improve this sentence using parallelism? Correct. The sentence should read: he's a dedicated father, a hard worker, and a friendly individual. Here's another one. John enjoys hiking, to swim, and biking. What's the correct form? Right, it should be: John enjoys hiking, swimming, and biking. Practice, as always, is the key to mastering this concept. Keep an eye out for parallelism in the things you read and write. Thank you for joining us today on our exploration of parallelism in conjunctions. Remember, parallelism can greatly enhance the clarity and power of your English communication by adding consistency and rhythm. Keep practicing, and soon enough, you'll be using parallelism naturally and effectively. Until next time, happy learning!